Hi, in the following videos, I'm going to lay out a series of steps that Ubuntu users can take to control a Keysight instrument with Python using this USB-gpib interface. This tutorial is broken down into 3 videos. In the first video, I'm going to explain the proper installation of the Linux-GPIB package as a backend for the PyVISA library in Python. In the second video, I'm going to explain a few steps that enables Ubuntu to automatically upload firmware to this interface whenever we plug it into the USB port of our computer. And in the third video, I'm going to explain the configuration of the GPIB device ports on Ubuntu so that we can successfully communicate with and control our Keysight instrument. I'm going to share with you a few line Python script that I use to communicate with my vector network analyzer and control it and acquire measurement data from it. So the method that I explain here, the process is supposed to be simple and simplified and requires the minimal installation of software. So we do not need to install any National Instrument Visa backend or Keysight I/O library suite or gpib-ctypes on Ubuntu. And it does not require us to manually upload firmware to this device. And the process that I explained here is supposed to be repeatable. So any user with a fresh Ubuntu install should be able to make these steps work. So stay tuned for the next 3 videos.